Well, Ryan, of course it would happen that we've been so quiet, and then the holiday week we have 2 storms to talk about.
And both will have at least some wintry weather with them too. The good news is I think Wednesday will be just fine for travel.
Which is a big day.
Right.
That's a big one to get.
If you're doing any air travel, things like that, no issues. Travel on Thanksgiving, though, could be problematic in some places. So let's break it all down. Don't want to skip over the fact that there is a little bit of a system coming in tomorrow with mostly light rain in central and southern Maine, but in the mountains there will be some mixed precipitation and even a bit of snow. Dry on Wednesday, and then there is a storm that we're watching for Thanksgiving. Chilly out there now. We're mostly in the 30s, but already down to 28 degrees. In Rangeley, we do have a partly to mostly clear sky now. This is the weak system that comes in tomorrow, and then the Thanksgiving storm is now entering the west coast, and it will eventually tap the Gulf of Mexico for more moisture as it approaches the east coast on Thursday. So a winter weather advisory is up tomorrow morning for the mountains of western Maine and New Hampshire. That's where we may have some slippery spots that develop during the morning. Again, you can kind of see these areas shaded in pink is where there may be a little sleet and freezing rain. And then in the mountains, especially near and north of Route 2, there will be snow even into tomorrow afternoon with a couple of inches possible there. But farther south, this is all rain. So if you're stepping out this evening, it remains quiet, but it's a chilly night. I think low temperatures tonight will be in the 20s, which means it's chilly as that precipitation starts moving in tomorrow morning. By 9 o'clock, showers spreading into western and southern Maine, mostly in the form of rain from about Sebago Lake south, but there may be some mixing that happens in the Oxford Hills up to Bethel, Newry, Rumford, over into Carabasset Valley as well. Well, it's just rain showers everywhere else. A kind of chilly and a bit breezy day coming up tomorrow with the wind coming in out of the southeast. 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, the rain ending over southern Maine, the snow continuing in the central highlands and up north, and then we get rid of that system tomorrow night. So highs tomorrow do make it into the 40s on the coast, but you can see where it's chillier in the mountains and north. Highs tomorrow will only be in the 30s. Tomorrow night's quiet, and Wednesday is a quiet day as well. We'll quickly go through this. Wednesday afternoon, we're totally fine. Temperatures in the upper 30s to the low 40s. At that point, the system will be gathering strength over the middle of the country, and the real question is, does it come right up toward New England, or does it go a little bit farther south? My thinking right now is we're at least going to get some precipitation on Thanksgiving Day, but the strength and the intensity will depend on just how far north this system comes. And we'll be able to fine-tune that, especially later tonight and tomorrow. But what you need to know is the timeline is that this begins late morning, midday on Thursday. It would be heaviest in the afternoon and evening. The coast is more likely to see rain, but you may not have to go farther inland to have snow. So especially any travel plans late Thanksgiving afternoon and Thanksgiving evening may be an issue. Seas tomorrow running 2 to 4 feet with a gusty wind on the water. So a mix of rain and snow tomorrow in the mountains and north, rain showers everywhere else. We're quiet on Wednesday. That storm looks likely on Thanksgiving. It's just a question of its strength and how much snow or rain we see. I know a lot of people want answers right now, but we've got to kind of get the models in line to do that, and we should be able to do that by tomorrow morning, I would think.
Still something you probably want to keep watching up until
Definitely.
that day, 'cause
These
it'll
things,
change.
especially early season storms, can shift and change.
All right. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.